speed, traction, power and precision. Top quality surfaces are an absolute must for top sporting performance. And each sport and area of application has its own very specific requirements. With over 40 years of experience, Polytan is extremely well versed in the various requirements and has developed a special portfolio which provides a perfect surface for every application. Polytan Pur and M surface systems for fast, precise synthetic tracks for top performance and competition use. Polytan S surface systems for durable, robust, all-weather pitches for schools and public sports areas. In addition to this complete product range, the special feature from Polytan is that the customer receives everything from a single source. That starts with the materials which we develop ourselves and ends with installation on site by our own personnel, our own installation teams. And that applies all over the world. This is because the installation of high-quality sports surfaces requires precision and expertise. Characteristics which are a matter of course for the Polytan team. All Polytan sports surfaces are installed using the so-called in-situ technique. This means that the actual surface is not finished until it reaches the actual site, and is not supplied in the form of finished strip goods. Here in Ingolstadt, Bavaria, the team is just preparing the installation of a base course, the elastic layer. This provides the base for all Polytan sports surface systems. It is made of recycled rubber tire granulate, so-called SBR. This quality-tested, high-grade recycled raw material provides the required base damping for the complete system. In a mixer, the granulate is mixed with a binding agent, polyurethane. The binding agent is a special Polytan development and provides permanent support for the elastic properties of the base material. There is a range of binding agent compositions available from Polytan to suit different surfaces and purposes. The mixing process is finished when the binding agent has enveloped all the rubber particles. The binding agent hardening process does not start until the mixture has been applied to the area that has to be coated, over a precisely predefined period of time. The hardening process creates cavities, which ensure that water can pass through the system and drain away. In addition, the spot gluing joints with the elastic rubber granulate provide the required elasticity. Back on the site, the installation work for the elastic layer has been started. A finishing vehicle, similar to a tarring machine in road construction, is used for this and spreads the high viscosity granulate binding agent compound to form an elastic coating. We also develop our own installation machinery for the installation technology that we need. There's a range of technologies, and we quite simply develop the machines specifically designed for these technologies. In other words, they're not standard machines which can be bought off the peg, but instead have been developed by us and improved for this particular installation work and specifically for synthetic material, which requires very great precision. As already described, the Polytan binding agent hardens slowly over the period defined for this purpose. This allows the next elastic strip to be prepared without seams. This is a massive advantage over prefabricated strips, which often suffer from gap formation at the seams after lengthy use. The result is an absolutely flat, seamless surface finish, with no high and low points. It's the ideal surface for competition tracks. The Brixen Sport Arena in June 2009, the venue for the 6th IAAF World Youth Athletics Championships. hopes, surprises, delight, and all on a Politan synthetic athletics track. The tender for the championships included the complete modernisation of the stadium. For this project, Brixton Local Council decided to purchase a water-impermeable, textured M surface from Politan, because its defined hardness and excellent spike resistance make the system an ideal surface for top-level sport. The surface has been approved by the International Association of Athletics Federations and is ideal for competition. Quality certainly played a major role in the decision. The service life of the track was a major consideration, and in addition we wanted a colour which matched the colours of our sponsor, who partly financed the track. And we managed to get everything we wanted in this package.
Das Ganze konnten wir hier im Paket.
The first time it was used, we knew we'd made the right decision. The athletes were absolutely delighted, because the track felt so good.
Also die Bahn fühlt sich wirklich gut an.
Let's go back.